Hello friends, welcome you all to Alpha Technical Sim. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon. This is Nifty 1 hour chart. We'll start from day candle. See, day candle is very confusing today. See, there is a very good rejection from the bottom. You can see the tail. Okay, it is high. Yesterday's high is taken out. Okay, yesterday's low is taken out. It has closed above yesterday. All are indication that market will go up. Okay, and then slightly our volume has increased, so the gap is not filled. Another 13-14 points is left. Once the gap filled, it may return, it may reverse back, or if all things goes well as today, it will go up. Okay, what will be the next target? Will be the high of this candle. 11,031 will be the next target. In day candle it is very little confusing. Okay, so we'll just check in the 1 hour candle. In 1 hour you can see 2 days market is in this range. Okay, this is very important now. Okay, you can see market is in this range. 2 days. Okay, 1 2 3 4, about 5 to 6 hours it is not able to break the high. Okay, this high is very important now for everybody. So if you are intraday player, please make sure tomorrow market opens within this range. Okay, this high has become very important now. This 11,000 11,816, say 11,800 becomes very important point. So 1 hour it gives some indication that there is a resistance. Now we'll check in 15 minutes also, because day candle is not so clear. Okay, in 15 minutes also you can see this is yesterday's high. Okay, and this is today's high. From here market has come down. We'll see tomorrow, in case market opens somewhere here, okay, within this range. Okay, tomorrow it may become range bound. It will play within this range. Okay, it's likely to play within this range. So tomorrow is a Wednesday premium meeting day. Okay, they will eat the premium, so market will come down, go up, come down. It has to break this high intraday with clear volumes. Please refer volume also tomorrow for this breakout, and then use some price action strategies to take up your call side trade. Okay, we'll check what you call our volume analysis. You can see the 3-day volume has slightly increased and turnover is also increased. This is a good sign for bulls. Tomorrow this Nifty high, today's high is taken and sustains for at least 15 minutes. I think it should have a good move tomorrow and day after tomorrow. As tomorrow is a Wednesday, so as per some, you should have some robust, what you call, intraday setup where you will be able to trade. See, today our bank Nifty setup, you can see the first target, second target, third, fourth, all the 4 targets I have achieved today. Okay, we may not stay still 4th target, but at least 2-3 targets we will be able to take it out. See, this is the first, second, third, and this is in the end it has achieved the 4th target, right? So I have some good intraday setup where you will be able to trade, friends. Okay, this is volume. 3-day volume has increased slightly. Our turnover has also increased. Okay, now we'll go to our this volume setup. Okay, you can see the volume has increased slightly, but volume is in red color. Okay, so overall the volume is sliding down. From any time market may reverse. When it reverse, it will reverse very fiercely. It will not give time. Why have we today I have put these 3 green lines. You can see here market consolidated at this, within this green line, 2 green line. Again market also consolidated here. It is, this was in January 2019. Okay, this was September, October region. This is Nirmala and Sitaraman candle, generally they call it. Okay, So market, once it has crossed above this green line and closed, so if it goes up, 10,975 will be the first target, second target 10,000, 11,088, so 11,100. So once it touches this, market may consolidate. Again, it depends upon the geopolitical situation, tensions, news base, news, everything. Okay, so as per that, intraday players can take up the trade as per the opening of every day, right? Now we will check our FII data. FII 829 crores positive buying, DII 784 crore minus. Okay, global clues, Europe was bad, so Europe has fallen in general. Nasdaq is just 0.44% up. Okay, SGX Nifty is, see, it is up already. Okay, 0.63% up. Rest of the European markets were mixed. Commodities, you can see, wow, gold has gone up by 455 rupees. So 0.94, that is about 1% it has gone up. Okay, 0.5% crude is also gone up. Okay, we'll go to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also, you can see Bank Nifty had a very good day today, because yesterday Bank Nifty underperformed, today Nifty underperformed. So it has crashed 100-day moving average and given a closing. Nifty yesterday itself, it has crashed 2 days back itself, crashed 200-day, it has given a closing, 3 days closing has given. Okay, let us hope for the best for bulls. You can see this is our 15 minutes intraday setup for Bank Nifty, right? You can see option chain, all call writers have wound off in Nifty. You can see here. This also, there is no considerable build up in put writing, has not happened so much compared to yesterday. So here they have taken up some positions. Okay, here also they are, as the expiry is nearing, so they are taking up the positions. Okay, so tomorrow Nifty, as I said, it opens within that range, so please trade carefully. Coming to the question of the day, today because of the time constraint I was not able to prepare the question and answers. This call and put, tomorrow I will put the answer. By Saturday I will put one video about what is call and put, exactly first what is call and put, how that hedging instrument now they are using it as for trading. Okay, that will be the title. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you to understand the market better. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.